everybody. Thank you for coming to the meeting today. I wanted to inform you that this month we will be implementing XBRL into our accounting financial systems. And what XBRL stands for is Extensible Business Reporting Language. Does anybody have any questions?
I do. So what is XBRL?
Quite simply, XBRL is a standard-based way to communicate and exchange information between business systems. More precisely defined, XBRL is a global, open standard, machine-readable language used to show relationships between various line items and entries in financial reports by tagging the specific items with an agreed-upon XBRL definition.
Okay, so somebody else have another question?
Are there any benefits towards using XBRL?
There are many benefits of XBRL. To name a few, creation of financial statements will become more efficient because preparers will only need to enter unique data once, eliminating rekeying of financial information from one form to the next. It will also automate our financial data analysis.
Does anybody else have any other questions?
How does it work?
Ah yes, it is important to know how XBRL works. It maps the structure of business reporting data using XML to tag it to XBRL and creates any additional tags needed to render a full set of financial statements. The result of this process is an additional identifier attached to each piece of business data that can standardize our outputs by providing links to its origin, its relationship to other data, the rules used to prepare the information, and more.
All right, anybody else have any other questions?
How can we create these XBRL statements?
That's an excellent question. Accounting software users will put XBRL type tags in the accounting systems to allow us or others to cross-reference accounts. This will make comparing and reporting financial statements more efficient.
All right, come on, throw me some more questions.
What does this mean for preparers of financial statements?
Another great question. For those preparing the financial statements, they should see lowered costs. It will make distributing our financial statements more accurate while enhancing our communication with stakeholders.
All right, anybody have any last questions?
What are the limits to XBRL?
This is also good to know. XBRL provides the same data as the standard financial statements and nothing more. XBRL presents data in a form that computers can sort, group, and categorize. And it also changes the presentation of financial documents, but does not alter their meaning.
All right, well that just about wraps up our meeting, and I want to thank everybody for all of your wonderful questions and feedback. And I wanted to find out, what did you guys think?
It's awesome.
All right.
It's really great.
That's what I want to hear.
It's going to make everything so much easier.
It will, it will. I'm really looking forward to seeing the results of our implementation within this next month. So everybody, good job, and see you next meeting.
Okay, we could try one more. All right, ready?
Just do it again, yeah.
And go.
It's going to cause a change in accounting standard?
Actually, no, it's not going to. We're going to still use our GAAP regulations and our GAAP standards.
The whole time I was just making sure that it was recording.
So everybody, good job, and see you next meeting.